Today on the Stay at Home Mom, I'm going to show you how to make this delicious cow tongue fried rice. This delicious dish is packed with proteins and combines different flavors to come out with something tangy and tasteful. First, let's talk about cow tongue. I've already boiled mine. You can boil, pressure cook it or slow cook it until it's tender. I boiled mine with some bay leaves, peppercorns and a little salt for about 3 hours. Once it's cooked, you peel off the skin and let it cool. We slice it up into small cubes. It looks just like any other meat. The texture is really tender, almost like brisket. This is what we use for our fried rice. Then for the rest of the fried rice, we're going to need onion, turmeric, garlic powder, cumin, mixed herbs, chili powder and leftover rice. So into the pan I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add my tongue and give it a little sear to get some color. While the tongue is browning, I'm going to finely chop the onion. And I'm going to add in chop the onions and make sure not to burn them, as this will spoil the flavor. This is followed by half a teaspoon of mixed herb, half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of garlic, and then I'm going to add my rice. Then 1 teaspoon of turmeric. I'm going to mix this all together really well, making sure everything is evenly coated. I'm going to add also a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder because I like that zing taste in my fried rice. To finish this off, I'm going to sprinkle salt and pepper. And that's it, cow tongue fried rice. It's so good and the tongue adds a really rich flavor to the fried rice. Just look at it. Look how beautiful this is. I'm going to taste it and I'm going to tell you how this actually tastes like. Okay, so let's taste it. Okay. Seriously, you should try this out. You should try cooking this recipe. I mean, it's so heavenly. Don't be afraid to try something different. You might just surprise yourself. So let me know in the comments below if you have tried this recipe and what you think. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.